Welcome to another edition of our podcast, Your Focus Driven Day with Lyman Montgomery. I want to ask you a question. What's in your bag? What's weighing you down? Are you a bag lady or a bag man? Now, I'm not talking about someone that's homeless, but a lot of us are carrying a lot of emotional and psychological baggage around. You see, let me share a quick story with you. I remember sitting in the airport and I was watching this, I believe it was a mom, and she had suitcases, she had backpacks, she had all these bags that she was carrying, and she had a young toddler in one hand, and you can see all that weight was doing what? It was bowing her over. She was bent over, trying to carry all of this weight. Now, it would have been a lot easier for her to get a cart and unload all that weight, put it on a cart, and simply push the cart rather than trying to carry all those bags and a little one in tow. Well, guess what? A lot of us are carrying a lot of baggage. We're carrying the baggage of failed relationships. We're carrying the baggage of people we don't like that we keep carrying around. We're carrying the baggage of poor health. In other words, we're sitting there and we're thinking to ourselves, oh, I know I need to go to the gym, I'm out of shape, but we don't do anything about it. Let me share with you 3 tips to help you unload all that weight that you are carrying. Number 1, recognize we like our bags. Let's be honest. We love our baggage. Why? It has become a part of us. We have to say to ourselves, you know what? I'm no longer carrying this baggage of bad relationships. We need to throw it away. Don't even look at it. Just cut it off. Number 2, we have to recognize that the baggage is weighing us down. You see, you're trying to climb up the corporate ladder. You're trying to climb up in life, and all that baggage is doing nothing but what? Pulling you down. It's like distraction. You see, distractions will stop you from being able to focus on the things that matter most in your life. It's a baggage. Point number 3 is this. When you lessen the load, you can climb higher and run faster. Why? You're lighter. You're not encumbered with all the cares of the world. You're not holding on to bad memories. You need to take a deep breath. Come on with me. Inhale. Exhale. Let it go. Let it go. Let go of those bad relationships. Let go of those bad memories and replace them with good memories, and it start today. So, what's in your bag? Let it go and lessen the load so you can climb higher and run farther. Hey, I'm out of time, but never out of things to say. I'm your podcaster, Lyman Montgomery. Join us for another edition of Your Focus Driven Day. Thank you. Be safe and always stay focused.